Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my beef soup, or in Filipino we call it Nilagang Baka. And there is also another recipe called bulalo, but this one, my version, is different from bulalo. So first, you have to make the beef or the meat soft and tender. So you just have to boil it, like if you are boiling it in the stove, you have to boil it for like 2 hours. Or it depends on the meat. So if the meat is younger, so it's just gonna reduce the boiling process. And also if you have a pressure cooker, you can do it in a pressure cooker for only like 30 minutes. But since I don't have a pressure cooker, so I just did it on my gas stove. So after the meat is soft and tender, you just have to put all your ingredients for the soup, like sliced potatoes, garlic and onions, and also you can put some dried basil leaf. And then you just have to put the salt, black pepper powder, sweet paprika. Also you can put some garlic powder and chili powder. And the last one is the MSG, but it's optional, so it's up to you if you are going to put it. And then after you put it, you just have to stir it and bring it to boil. So our potato will get softer. And then you just cover it and then put it in a low-medium heat. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updated videos. So after boiling for a couple of minutes, we're gonna check if our potato is soft and it's ready to eat. So, and after that, we'll just have to turn off the heat and ready to serve. So if you like this video, please give a like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.